Lay me out on the floor. I'm 6'2".
Hey, you guys.
Peter, how tall am I?
I don't know. How tall is a mailbox? You're about a mailbox.
Peter, your seatbelt back here doesn't work right.
What's gonna happen to you that hasn't already happened?
I'll take smelling good over walking good any day.
You don't smell good, Joe.
I'm sorry, I thought I was alone. This is my wheelchair! There are many like it, but this one is mine! Without me, my wheelchair is useless! Without my wheelchair, I am useless! Shut up!
Okay.
God, I wish it was Joe in that box.
I do too, bud.
Oh, did I say that out loud?
No, but at this point I know what you're thinking. It'll be soon, babe.
You're saved, sir. We're gonna get you back to civilization. And how about we bring along your monkey pal?
Okay.
Yeah, we can teach him sign language, and he can tell us stories about what you two did on the island together.
No. Let's not bring the monkey. I'd sell my soul to be famous.